Is there a difference between options that are awarded by an Israeli company versus options that are awarded from a non-Israeli company? And could you just go over when exactly is it taxable? When you get the option, if there's a delta, or when it vests, or when you sell, or all three?
Okay, so there's a difference for if you receive the option in Israeli and non-Israeli company. If you receive it in Israeli company, usually most of the Israeli companies are checking the 102 section, meaning that there is a capital gain, and only when you sell the share. I mean, only when you sell it. So you can have invested, you can keep it for many, many years, but you pay only when you sell it. If an Israeli person is receiving a non-Israeli company capital, if you receive shares, you pay, let's say, on a monthly basis or a quarterly basis. At the time you receive the share, he pays because he received the benefit. And if you then sell it, you receive the extra amount. If he's still in the US, probably there will not be a problem because US will have the first bite on his income, but he will pay in Israel marginal tax rate as soon as he's still an Israeli tax resident. Let's say he moved to 1 year of relocation or something like that. If you receive an options, this is the more problematic area because in Israel, you should pay the tax only when not on the vesting period, but when he exercised the option into share. And then if he paid the US on the vesting period, and then in Israel, he come to Israel and then he exercises into shares, then he can find himself in a problem that US want to tax him and Israel also want to tax him. And therefore, Israel is in relocation, which received options in both Israeli, but also more important non-Israeli companies. It's better to consult before they come back to Israel, and sometimes to make the exercise, if they can, before they're coming back.
Okay, thank you for that. Because that is obviously quite a tricky situation. Now,
so if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.